Back in this vocabulary session. This time we are to enjoy name of birds in Sanskrit, Hindi as well as in English. Let us participate in it positively. Pakshana Namani, that means name of birds. Kapota, Hindi meaning kabutar, English meaning pigeon. Kaka, Hindi meaning kawa, English meaning crow. Kokila, Hindi meaning koyal, English meaning cuckoo. Shena, Shena means baj, Hindi meaning baj, English meaning hawk. Shuka, Hindi meaning tota, English meaning parrot. Mayura, Hindi meaning more, English meaning peacock. Sharika, Hindi meaning manna, English meaning mina. Sarsa, Hindi meaning saras, English meaning flamingo. Garura, Hindi meaning garur, English meaning eagle. Uluka, Hindi meaning ullu, English meaning owl. Waka, Hindi meaning bagula, English meaning crane. Vartaka, Hindi meaning battak, English meaning duck. Must note it down and practice tries to get it by heart.